Good evening, candidates. This video is about anti-money laundering and know your customer. This I am preparing mainly for IDBI, Assistant Manager, IBPS RRB PO, and also for candidates appearing for IIBF interview. This is coming under Learning Tree, anti-money laundering and know your customer. The reason given is that banks and financial institutions, since they deal in public money and provide a variety of financial services and instruments, are most vulnerable to receiving criminal money disguised in the form of genuine business proceeds. Globalization in banking, coupled with the technological advancement in payment system, has widened the scope for concealing criminal money and increased its mobility across borders. Absence of any preventive mechanism would expose these institutions to a reputation risk, which is one of the most valuable assets. Prevalence of money laundering also enhances the risk of frauds and economic crime, impacting the soundness and stability of financial system of a country. The process of laundering money typically involves 3 steps: placement, layering, and integration. Through placement, the illegitimate funds are brought into financial system. Layering conceals the source of funds through a series of transactions and bookkeeping tricks. In the final step, integration, the laundered money is turned into apparently legitimate proceeds. To prevent this, banks are to report any suspicious transaction to the relevant authorities. This is in line with the recommendations of the Financial Action Task Force, an intergovernmental task force established to combat money laundering. Banks also required to put in place their own customer acceptance policy and to complete a detailed customer due diligence procedure before opening any account, savings or current. They are required to obtain a list of officially valid documents from their clients. KYC means know your customer and sometimes know your client. It is today significantly element in fighting against financial crime and money laundering. KYC or KYC check is the mandatory process of identifying and verifying the client's identity when opening an account and periodically over time. In other words, banks must make sure that their clients are genuinely who they claim to be. Banks may refuse to open an account or halt a business relationship if the client fails to meet minimum KYC required. It's a both important point. This one I am collecting from IIBF website, and iska baat mein like cartoon they are giving these points. Please go through this. Mrs. Joseph visited the bank for an account opening. She saw a banner put up on the bank's wall: help us prevent money laundering. Submit your documents. She was scanning through the list of required documents when she heard a familiar voice. Hello, auntie. Good morning. Hey, Shika. So nice to see you here today. I was worried what to do here. This is my first time in a bank. Don't worry, auntie. Let me help you out. What brings you here today? Shika is asking. I wanted to open a basic savings bank deposit account. I spoke to the services manager there. She gave me a list of so-called officially valid documents and asked me to submit here. I do not know anything about this. Why do they need so many documents? It is my own money. That's what auntie says. They are asking for those, what is that OVD, matlab, officially valid documents for your own benefit, auntie, and for the benefit of the nation. How come? Criminals and terrorists are using the banking system everywhere in the world to disguise their black money. This is called money laundering. They are turning black money into white money through banks. Even here in this branch, in our small town, terrorists. Yes, even here You just never know, auntie. Globalization technology has made the world very small place. They can access any account in any bank anywhere in the world. We have to be vigilant. Shika is telling to auntie, what can we do, Shika? Auntie is asking. Reserve Bank of India's regulators across the world are already doing a lot on this. We have to cooperate with them and submit all documents they ask for. These documents are required to establish your KYC. It means know your customer. As per RBI guidelines, banks need to ensure that they know everything about their customers and their businesses. That is why they ask for all the valid documents like your passport, driving license, possession of Aadhaar number, the voter identity card. They want to ensure that no black money enter the banking system and only legitimate clients are onboarded. Oh, auntie is telling. Now I understand why the service manager asked so many documents from me. This is just for my own benefit. Yes, exactly. I told you, cooperate with them and you will be safe. The country will be safe. So this is the document I have taken from IIBF Learning Tree. So if you make it briefly, it will help you to say, it will help you to answer any interview question easily. And this passage is also useful for say our essay writing or paragraph writing also. It can be used for essay writing or paragraph writing also whenever you get some question on that. Okay, so kindly, I'm just copying this here so that it is useful. Thank you. Thank you so much. Best wishes.